Hello and welcome to the channel. I would like to show you some lily buds. This is Candidum planum and this is Candidum varietas cernum. This variety has like 10 days to flower. I also have some lovely oleums still in flower, and the neighbor's dogs, of course, barking. Oleum Christophe from seed. Lovely big buds. So wonderful. Look at this. Dozens of buds. Oleum Christophe in flower from seed. And what I'm most excited about is Oleum Schoenoprasum Cha-Cha. So when these bulbils grow big enough, I will plant them and I can propagate them really quickly. The other one Oleum is flowering is this yellow one. It's called Oleum Chloranthum Yellow Fantasy, and it's a lovely plant. Small but lovely. This will flower in a couple of days. It's called Oleum Carolinianum Rosy Dream. And what I'm most excited about is this dark blue one. It's called Oleum Cesium Aravan. Of course, the lovely chives is in bloom. And these weird symptoms on the lilies. And also more botrytis, even though I sprayed the plants. So you can see here that I sprayed it, and because we had fog and rain, the disease spread further. Oh, thank goodness they are making these noises. Lovely Americanus minor, Xanthodaceae in flower. And this is very interesting. This is Paradisia lusitanicum major in flower. It has a rhizome. The lovely Arum italicums are in also flower. Oh, and here is Oleum Schuberti Arctic Glow in flower, and the rest of the Oleum Schuberti is also in flower or bud. They look lovely. Oleum Otropurpureum, really nice dark one. And I have my first Spuria hybrids in flower. This one's called Premier. And because of all the noise, I stopped the video now. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.